Okay, so this is going to be a brief video about continuity and what it means in math, okay? A function is continuous if there are no holes or jumps in the graph of the function. That should be a review from your previous algebra classes. I have three functions made on this graph right here that are all discontinuous, so they do not follow this property of being continuous because there is either a hole or a jump in the function, okay? Here I put the reasons why they're considered discontinuous, okay? So this first one, I labeled this blue one, function f. F of a is not defined. So here's a, and as you can see, f of a is not defined here at this point, so it's a hole. So because of that, this is discontinuous. The green one, I'm labeling it function g, so it's right down here. The limit of g of x as x is going closer to b is not actually equal to g of b, because g of b is down here, and the limit of g of x as x is getting closer to b is up here, because it's converging on a point. Here, it's just 1 point. So because the limit is not actually equal to what you would plug in for what x is going to, this would be considered discontinuous. Okay, the last one, the red, right up here. It's a piecewise function, and limit of h of x does not exist as x goes to c. So as you can see, there's a different limit from this side, the left side, than the right side. So because of that, it's considered discontinuous. Okay? Now there's certain flavors or types of discontinuity, and I labeled them right here. The first one, removable discontinuity, and it means exactly what it sounds like. If you remove one or more points on the function that cause it to be discontinuous, then it would become continuous. So these two would be considered removable discontinuity, because we have the blue right here. If I removed this hole by filling it, then it would be continuous. Okay? If I removed this point on the green function and filled this one, then it would be continuous. So those are considered removable discontinuity because you're removing something. I'm removing the hole. I'm removing this hole, removing this point. So that would be removable discontinuity. Now this last one, the red function, is considered non-removable discontinuity because you can't just simply remove a point. You have to almost just change the function so it doesn't have this jump. So that would be considered non-removable discontinuity. Okay, if you have any questions on any of this, let me know.